What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's part of a broader category of models known as language models because of their ability to understand and produce language. This technology is designed to simulate a human-like conversation, making it capable of understanding queries and providing responses that can sometimes seem surprisingly thoughtful or insightful. Whether it's answering simple questions, helping with homework, or engaging in a debate, ChatGPT is versatile in its applications. Understanding the acronym GPT? The name GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Each part of this name has a specific meaning. Generative suggests that the model generates text, creating coherent pieces of text from prompts. Pre-trained means that before it is ever used by the public, it undergoes extensive training on a dataset comprising a wide swath of the Internet's text to understand language structure and context. Lastly, transformer refers to the type of algorithm it uses, which is effective at handling sequences of data and maintaining an awareness of the context within text. How ChatGPT works. At its core, ChatGPT processes text inputs by predicting what comes next in a sequence, making it capable of continuing a given text snippet in a coherent and contextually appropriate way. This is achieved through machine learning, where the model has been fed large amounts of text and learned patterns, styles, and information about the world. When you interact with ChatGPT, you're essentially seeing the output of a model that calculates the probability of what word or phrase should logically follow the given conversation up to that point. The applications of ChatGPT are broad and impactful. In the business sector, it can power customer service chatbots that handle inquiries and issues, providing quick responses to customers and reducing the workload on human employees. In education, it serves as a tool for students to learn and practice new concepts at their own pace. Additionally, ChatGPT is used by content creators for brainstorming and generating written content, aiding in creative processes where initial drafts are needed quickly. The future of ChatGPT. Looking ahead, the future developments of ChatGPT are expected to enhance its accuracy and adaptability. This could lead to more nuanced and specialized applications across various industries. However, as ChatGPT and similar technologies evolve, ethical considerations are increasingly important. Issues such as privacy, misinformation, and the potential for misuse need to be addressed to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly. Nonetheless, the potential for positive impact is significant, promising a future where AI assists us in more aspects of daily life and work. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.